Hello everyone, my name is Parag and you have started watching a Life Science Insider. So in this video I'm going to tell you about there is an opportunity for conference. It's an international conference in the second Indo-Canada International Conference on Advances in Research and Development, ICARD 2025. It is multidisciplinary, January 25, 26th and in the 2025, and it is going to be happen by hybrid mode. It will be available online and in person also, and the registration link has been given here. I will be adding that registration link into the description. Last date for the registration will be January 15, 2025. Organized by All India Institute of Training and Education, New Delhi, International Skill Development Council, New Delhi, Nexus India, New Delhi, India, and the Samnogen Canada, Toronto, Canada. And it's been sponsored by this All India Institute of Training Institute, International Skills Development Council. So it will be happening in the 25th 26th January of 2025. For the online participants, INR 399, that is 400, will be for the UG students, including the participation, presentation and the e-certificate. And for the faculties, scientists, researchers and the postdoc, it will be 999, including the presentation and certificate and participation also. And for the industries it will required 1700. So payment method can be done by this Google, Phone Pay and Paytm through this number, and you can note it down. And for the NRI or other nationals, lower middle income countries will be $20, and the upper middle income countries $50. And the fee publication with ISBN ISSN 20 Indo-Canada ICAR 2024 Best Oral Poster Presentation Awards, 10 Indo-Canada ICAR 24 Young Scientist Awards, Indo-Canada ICAR 24 Research Excellence Awards. And this is the registration link. I will be adding it into the description. And for any or more updates regarding this conference, you can join the WhatsApp group. Also, I will also give this link into the description. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. And if you don't want to miss any kind of opportunities like conferences, exams, entrance exams, internship and the JRF faculty positions and anything related to the biological sciences, that includes this life science also. So please consider this channel to be subscribed. Thank you so much guys, have a good day.